Hey guys, looking to increase the performance of your receiver or your processor? Well, I've got some news for you. I'd like to introduce you to the brand new BasX A3 Plus 3-channel amplifier. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of it, go over some reasons why it's cool and why you need it, as well as how to hook it up to your system. And now, let's jump into an unboxing of the A3 Plus. I'm going to go ahead and stand up here, may be a little easier, move the chair I was sitting on, and I'm actually going to set the unit right on the chair. Make it a little easier to unbox so you don't just see a box in the frame. So let's go ahead, open it up. Nice new cardboard, feels good. Ooh, oh, did you hear that? Fresh cardboard. All right, get the inner box. All of our amps are double boxed, so they're nice and protected when they're being shipped. There we go. Ooh. There we go, some nice packing material. We'll set that to the side. Got the accessories box here, the manual, and we got the unit. Set the box down. Perfect. Go ahead, take the foam off. There we are. Set that to the side. You know what? I'll move it out of the table. Let's go ahead, set it on the ground there. And we'll get to those items in a moment. But let's go ahead and flip the unit upside down. Peel the tape off. Set that to the side. Oh, look at this. Nice black bag it's wrapped in. Go ahead here. And here it is. The brand new A3 Plus, fresh right out of the bag. We'll set the bag down to the side just so we have a little more room to work with. I'll move the chair back too. Take a seat here. So I'm back in frame so I can see everybody. So we got the unit. I'll move that just to the side just for a second here. And then we can get some of the other things here. Of course, we've got the manual, our little YouTube card. Make sure you subscribe to get any new videos we have. Let's jump into the accessory box here. Let's see. Tough box. Let's see what we got in here. And we've got the same cabling that comes with all Emotiva electronics, which is going to be some backup fuses. This comes with the amplifiers. We have a trigger cable that comes with all of the amplifiers we have. And then, of course, we have our power cable. And that right there, make it look nice. That right there is the unboxing of the A3 Plus. Now that we've done an unboxing of the A3 Plus, let's go over some reasons why you'd want to get into the A3 Plus. Starting out right away, the biggest reason is probably because of the XLR inputs on the unit. Yes, that's right. The previous A3 only had RCA inputs, but now we've added XLR inputs and also kept the RCA inputs for increased flexibility and ease of use, meaning you can natively connect the A3 Plus now to a processor that has XLR outputs. Another key reason why you'd want the A3 Plus is because of its size and power. The unit is a 2RU chassis, which is rack mountable, and it fits in a wide variety of racks or entertainment centers. Speaking of power, the unit has 140 watts per channel 8 ohms and 200 watts per channel 4 ohms. Both power ratings are with all channels driven. And the final reason you'd want to get into the A3 Plus is because of the improved power supply. We've made tweaks to the power supply so you get that same strong power and great dynamics without sacrificing efficiency. Now that we've gone over some reasons why you might want an A3 Plus, let's go into how to set it up. Right here I've actually got one of two examples. The first example is going to be how to connect it via RCA. The second example will be how to connect it via XLR. I've got an MR1L receiver up top here, and then I've got the BasX A3 Plus below it. I've got some RCA jumpers right here. So let's go ahead and start over here on this side here. I'm going to go ahead and have this one be my front left channel. So we're going to connect it to the input of the amplifier of the receiver. Let's do the next thing, or the next cable, excuse me, but with the center channel. So let's connect it here. And then, of course, the one marked C for center. Finally, let's do our front right channel. Connect it to the input here, and connect it to the output here. Perfect. We are all connected to the BasX A3 Plus from the receiver. Now, a quick note. You may have your speakers plugged in already to the binding posts on the back of the receiver. You're going to want to make sure that you actually move those now down to the new binding posts that are actually on the A3 Plus, so you can actually hear your content. Now that we've gone over how to connect the BasX A3 Plus with RCA cables, let's go ahead and finally get into how to connect it with XLR cables. I've got some XLR cables here, and then I've actually got the RMC1 Plus on top of the A3 Plus here that we're going to connect together with the XLR cables. So of course we're going to grab one here. I'm going to kind of sneak out here so I can see it, and we're going to connect it to the amp first. But as far as which side to use, just a little cheat here is just to use the side of the XLR cable where you see the pins. And we're going to plug it in here. You should hear a little thud or a click. And then we're going to find the right channel here. Actually, the front left channel is the one we're going to use here. So let's go in there. Let's grab the next one here. We'll do the center channel. There we go. There's my center. And then let's wrap it up here with a right channel. Perfect. And there we go. We have a BasX A3 Plus connected to a processor with XLR outputs, finally. And there you have it. We introduced the brand new BasX A3 Plus 3-channel power amplifier. We did an unboxing of the unit, went over the top reasons why you'd want an A3 Plus, and we even showed you how to connect it. If you like videos like this and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like below, and head to Emotiva.com to learn more information about the BasX A3 Plus. From all of us here at Emotiva, happy listening.